Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on my video today. I will be going over one of the easiest way to make some money online by becoming an affiliate with a website called JVZoo. So with this website, you pretty much promote other people's products and you get a commission from actually promoting the products and from whatever sales that seller gets. The other way to make money on this website is you can become a seller. So you can also sell products. However, this video will just focus on the affiliate side. So to get started, you can click the link in the description box and it will take you right to the registration page. You can sign up right away and you can pretty much almost start making money right away. So you can click sign up, or whether you click start promoting or start selling, it doesn't matter. Either way, either account will allow you to do both. So it's pretty simple. You get paid through PayPal, which is nice and easy. There's another option. Some people like to send checks. However, the majority of your payments will be through PayPal. So just go ahead and sign up through the link and I'll show you exactly how to get started. So I've already signed in here. So again, once you've signed in, this will be your little overview, your dashboard area to begin selling. Again, you want to focus on different types of products. So depending on what your niche is, whatever you feel like you can sell the most. So you want to go to product library. I like to go to, before I do that actually, let's go through under my account is where you'll set up your PayPal. So you'll go to payment profiles and just go through the steps and you'll be able to get your payment set up right away. Okay, another way you can make money from this website is by having other people sign up underneath your link. So if you go to my account here and you click my account, okay, and just scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to see your referral link. So this is the link that you will use to have other people sign up with JVZoo, and you also get a commission, a percentage of whatever those sales are as well, or for everyone signing up. So as you can see, I am located in Canada. However, I did get this referral from someone in the States. So this is literally, your country is irrelevant. You can sign up however, wherever you are, as long as you have a PayPal that's legit, you can get paid. All right, so to find a product to promote, you want to go to product library. I like to go to top sellers. That way I get exactly the cream of the crop, right? So you can either choose whether you want it for today, yesterday, past 7 days. I wouldn't go past 7 days. I mean, you can, but I personally like to go to today just so I can know exactly what's hot right now and what's not. So let's just take the first one, for example, traffic rebirth. So you want to click on affiliate details over here, and you will see the price of the product. So it's $10.11, and the commission you'll get is a whopping 100%. Not all products, not all sellers pay 100%. A lot of them I've seen are 50% or around that range. So this is quite awesome that you get 100% here. So what you want to do is you want to request permission to actually promote the product. This you have to do for all the sellers. So you pretty much just want to put in this box. Hi, my name is so and so. I'm planning to promote your product, the traffic rebirth, via YouTube or Instagram or Facebook or my blog or personal website, whatever the case may be. Pretty much just telling them who you are and how you plan to promote their product. Then you click on request affiliate approval here, and once you've done that, the seller will respond to you. It usually doesn't take that long. Again, each seller is different, but usually it doesn't take that long for them to respond. Then you want to click on your affiliates tab up here and approve products. So here you'll see all the products that have been approved for your promotion. In that list, you'll also get a unique link that links you to the seller's website. And again, this is how you'll get your commission, because each person that clicks on the link or buys the product through that link, you get paid. All right. So of course you want to see exactly what you'll be promoting, right? So you want to click on see the sales page over here. And this page has pretty much all the information on the product that you'll be promoting. So this one is just about just about getting visitors to a website. So you can scroll all the way down. Again, when people are trying to buy a product, a lot of people don't want to read like all of this stuff. So your job is to go through, pick out the main points, promote it on your site or website or YouTube, whatever the case may be, and leave your unique link in the description for buyers to potentially click and purchase the item. Okay, so this is pretty much all it is. And again, you can choose from different products, right? So if you want to do a specific niche or a specific topic, you can do that as well. Again, I'll go through another video with choosing a product that's right for you, or just based on your likes and dislikes, because you want to choose something that you feel fairly comfortable with. Alright, so that's pretty much it. And again, as I said, once you have the information, once the person or the buyer clicks on it or purchases it, you get paid a commission. And in this case, it's 100%. I still can't believe that. But yeah, hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep you updated as well with my progress with this as well. And click that little bell just so you get post notifications to know when I post a new video. Yeah, so again, I'll do a seller video in the future just so we can go through that route as well, because it is another viable option. It's just that the affiliate side is a little easier because you don't have to do any work really. The work's already been done for you. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now.